Don't miss it. Dude, don't miss it. Oh!
Anything for the thumbnail. Boys, the time has arrived. It is the moment I have been waiting for a long time, and I feel like you guys have been waiting for a long time. We're lifting my truck. I kind of don't want to hop out and film at the gas station. I really hate filming at the gas station, but f it. Let's send it. If you guys don't know, this is my 2015 F350 Platinum. I bought this about 6 months back, and I've had it. It's been a great truck. I haven't had any issues with it. Right now it's sitting on King coilovers in the front and the rear, and it's just nothing too crazy. It's tuned, deleted. Let me show you guys under the hood. Show you what I got going on, because I haven't showed you this thing in a long time. It's got a full Midwest turbo piping kit. It's all powder coated, sickly, EGR delete. Like I said, it's tuned and deleted and all that. All those things are what it has right now, and we're about to do some sick mods to this thing. All right, so the funny thing about doing this lift kit wheels and tires is I've had these wheels for about 6 months, and I've had this lift kit for about, I don't even know, maybe 7 months. This is a 13-inch RBP max altitude lift kit. It's got Fox coilovers in the front and the rear. Let me show you guys. So these are what I'm running with. They're brand new. This whole lift is brand new. So these are going to be in all 4 corners. I'm getting rid of the leaf springs in the rear, and also I'm getting rid of those coilovers I already have in the front. These are King 3.0s I have right now, and I'm getting rid of those obviously because it's going up 13 inches to clear these massive 40-inch tires. So what these are 40-inch Fury Country Hunter MT. I don't really know. They're just the Fury's main tire. These are the bad boys that are going on here. These are 2616 specialty Ford. They're pretty insane. Literally, they're huge. Look at like my hand compared up to them. Like, it's literally massive. This lift kit alone is like 20-30 pieces, and these wheels, I don't know, it's just gonna be insane, especially on my ruby red truck. And I bought all this stuff used, by the way. This lift kit's brand new, but I didn't buy this brand new. And also these wheels are in pretty mint shape, and I bought these used as well. Before I talk about this too much, I'm gonna actually put some fuel in this thing, because we got a long road trip ahead of us. Up here at the old Wawa, got the truck with the hood open. It looks like it's broken, but let's throw some fuel on this pump. It's about a 3-hour drive to where I'm dropping the truck off to get lifted. So we got a little road trip ahead of us. What I'm doing right now, literally I'm dropping it off to get lifted as we speak. No kidding.
Yeah.
Charging you to lift it.
It's going 13 inches on those tires, which are 40s.
Yeah, dude.
So should be pretty badass. I appreciate it. I'm excited. It's funny because it's already getting attention and I haven't even lifted it yet. Like, people are talking about the wheels in the bed. Like, 2 people just mentioned, like, you're putting those wheels on it? So imagine once it's lifted how sick it's gonna be. I mean, obviously this is what I want to do, but also, you know, it's always sick when people compliment your stuff. Like, I don't know, it's always badass or whatever. No, that's not the reason we do it. We do it because we actually love the look of it ourselves. Got some fuel. I'm trying to think what else I want to tell you guys. So we're bringing it over to my buddy Diego's at Resurrected Fab. He's done a couple of my buddy's trucks. He did full custom lists for them, but he's the man to go to, and he's a good friend of mine, so we're bringing it to him. That's why we're bringing it 3 hours. Most people would never bring something in 3 hours, but he's the only person I trust. But yeah, so I got these wheels for a crazy good deal. I bought this lift for a crazy good deal, and I'm gonna be talking about that in the future. Maybe on the ride up there, I'm gonna tell you how I'm doing this whole lift kit for like dumb cheap. Literally, I might do this whole lift kit for free, which is like, that doesn't even make sense, but once I explain it to you guys, you'll understand. You gotta check them out. You know what you think? Yeah, so they're 26 inches tall, and then 26 and 16 wide.
That's crazy.
Yeah, so they're gonna be sticking out like out here, like pretty far. Yeah. So I'm excited. And then this is the lift kit. Yeah, here, I'll show you the shocks I'm putting on.
You're obviously used. You bought them used?
Yeah, I bought them used. I bought the lift kits brand new. Yeah, isn't that crazy? I bought them used and they color match my truck and everything.
That's how
I bought these wheels like 6 months ago because when I seen them, I knew I had to have them. Because like, where am I gonna find color match wheels?
Even used?
I got them for $5,200.
Yeah.
But brand new, like 15 grand. Yeah, crazy, because they're billet aluminum. How they build these is it's a block of aluminum this big, and then they mill it out with a CNC. But here, check out my shocks.
That's crazy.
Those are the shocks I'm putting in it. So there's 4. There's 1 on each corner of the truck. So I'm getting rid of leaf springs and all that.
Nice, man.
So it should be pretty crazy.
Good luck, brother.
Yeah, bro. I appreciate it.
I hope to see that sucker ride.
Yeah, you will. I'll be driving around. I live around here, so you'll. I don't know. It's hard to miss it once it's lifted.
Right, exactly.
Yeah. All right, brother. Peace. That was pretty cool. Guy loves it. He's excited. Thank you. I'm lifting it.
Oh, you getting lifted?
Yeah, that's what all that stuff in the bed is for. I'm on my way.
That's a big time.
Yeah. I've got a 3-hour road trip to go drop it off.
God dang.
It's going up 13 inches on these wheels.
Holy
so
shit.
it should be pretty crazy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, they are.
I lifted Titan, but I was like, this is.
Yeah, I've never lifted anything like this, so it should be pretty fun.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, I'm excited. I've been waiting like 6 months to do this, so
Nice.
I'm really looking forward to it.
Oh, it's gonna get bad, bro.
Yeah, you'll see it
That's
around.
awesome.
I live around here, so you'll see it go by. All right, guys. Who would have thought the truck would get this much attention just with it? People just want to know what's going on because I got the wheels in the back and all that. They see it and they just want to know. I guess I got the camera out too, so they want to know what I'm doing. But hell yeah, on the road, and it's a 3-hour drive. The reason, like I said, the reason I'm going 3 hours is because my buddy's lifting it and he's the only one I trust. My buddy Diego at Resurrected Fab. But yeah, let's start this road trip. Check this out. The little deer. Look at it. In the middle of the road. All right, boys, we're pulling up. 3 hours later. I guess we're just gonna park and see what's up. All right, guys, so we made it to the shop and check out all this stuff Diego's got going on here. So here, Diego's got a full Bronco build going on right now. Like a full custom tube chassis, or not, this isn't tube chassis, just...
Yeah, it's all boxed.
All boxed.
Full chassis front to back.
And then what motor are you putting in this?
It's getting a 5.0 Coyote.
Damn. That's badass.
Bag body dropped on 26s.
When this thing's leaving here, is it gonna be like show quality or
Yeah, it's gonna be.
SEMA ready?
Yep.
Damn.
Inside out, bottom.
Nothing's gonna be untouched on this. This is gonna.
Solder frame.
Yeah. That's insane. My truck is like nothing special. We're just doing a bolt-on lift kit, but obviously you guys can see he's the man to do it. That's why I drove 3 hours here, because you know you gotta come to the best.
Appreciate it.
And then here, what does this look like? Is this leather?
Yep. Leather.
What?
Leather wrap.
I've never even seen that in my life. A leather wrapped truck. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's literally. How do you even do that?
It's just literally like a wrap, like
That's insane. Look at that. I don't know. Can you guys see the texture? That is literally like ridiculous. I've never seen nothing like that. Literally like leather on the entire truck.
But this one's going up another 10 inches from what it's sitting right now.
All custom.
Yes.
Sheet metal and everything?
Sheet metal. Super Duty axles, 30s, 44s.
Damn.
It works.
Yeah, this is insane. My truck is like a baby around here, but it'll be it'll be cool for me. This is my first truck. Like, I'm actually lifting, so maybe in the future we'll do something like leather wrapped or some crazy shit. Whoever knows.
You can imagine.
Yeah, that's insane. I literally didn't even know that was a thing. Yeah, you can see the axle under there all smooth and ready for some custom liftage. So this is another truck he's got going on. This thing's pretty crazy. All powder coated, literally insane. This is a 2017. This is actually a buddy's truck, and in the future I'll show you guys this, but for now this thing's kind of on the back burner. It's a secret. The wheels are crazy. 28/16 specialty forged. I've got 26/16 specialty forged. These are 2 inches bigger, so definitely insane. And this is all custom. Literally, he does all this, all the custom powder coating. He doesn't do the powder coat, but he all outsources that. But literally, this truck came in stock. He went through the whole thing, cut it all out with his machine. He has a plasma table.
Yep.
Welded it.
One off.
Yeah. And look at the welds, by the way. Like, his welds are literally no bubblegum bullshit like most people. Like, literally, this is all like almost art, pretty much, but with metal. And then this is the donk that he's in the middle of building. You didn't do all this though, right? You're just kind of.
We're just gonna, once again, came out of another shop. Need some cleanup.
This thing's sick though.
Tighten up the steering.
You're putting the motor in it?
We're not putting the motor in it. It's getting the Hellcat motor, but
that's insane. I know y'all love the Hellcats.
Oh yeah.
It's got 4Gs on the whip right here. What are these 20? What are these 30s?
26s.
26s.
6-piston bare brakes.
Jeez.
Tubular upper lower control.
Yeah, this is insanely sick. So this is a donk. This is as real as a donk gets right here. On the way, all gutted, everything. Damn. Do you like these donks?
I love them.
Yeah.
I
like them too. I don't know if I'd ever own one, but it's crazy how much it's like a truck almost. Like nothing's untouched.
Oh yeah, for sure. Top, bottom, frames off.
People are like, the donks are like trucks, like in the scene, you know what I mean? People love these things. But look at the suspension, all powder coated. He didn't do any of this, but he could if you wanted. This is like nothing for him. All this stuff's bolt on. He could do this all custom all himself, cut it out of metal, fab it up, weld it, everything you can imagine. But like I said, my truck is just a simple bolt on lift, but I figured I'd bring it to the best because like you said, that other truck out back there was a simple bolt on lift that who installed it messed it up, and then they brought it here. So that's why we are here. He's got his little bag. That's the project on the back burner. The one day project. Yeah. But yeah, that's that. I guess we're about to roll out, just dropping the truck off. Got my boys rolling up here. You want to see my wheels and shit, what I'm doing to my truck? He's the truck guy. So when you get a truck one day and you want to lift it, but this is my truck, but these are the wheels I'm putting on it. Yeah, I got it. They need a little bit of love, but you know, I got a good deal, so it's all right. It's gonna be like that, but bigger. How big's that, Diego? That truck right there.
That's a 15, I want to say.
Oh, okay. So, but mine's a 250. Yeah. So mine's probably gonna be the same height as that.
Or bigger.
Or bigger. Yeah. We'll see. Yeah, he's got some big speakers in it. I'm still gonna daily my truck, so I'm not trying to. I don't know. This is my first like lifted truck, so I don't know how crazy I want to go. You know what I mean?
Go crazy. You got like 5 other cars.
That is true. I might be back. Diego, I'm trusting you.
You got you.
Don't do too many burnouts. Yeah, I was thinking about wrapping my Corvette red and then like towing the, it'd be sick to have like the
put it on the trailer.
Yeah.
Tow hitch.
Or maybe tow the truck with the Corvette. Saying, that'd be a video. I was thinking like do a truck pull with the vet in the truck. Like a wet day or it's wet out where they just spin. Cool. I think that'd be funny. They're both just roasting the tires. That'd be crazy. All right, man. Sounds good. I will I'll see you in a couple weeks. All right, bro. Thank you.